This episode reveals practical hacks that help a busy household slash costs without sacrificing comfort. First, smart shopping rules turn every trip into savings. Compare unit prices, shop seasonal sales, and use a reusable list. Next, home-cooked meals stretch dollars by batch cooking, freezing portions, and repurposing leftovers into new, flavorful dishes. Finally, easy DIY upgrades like weather stripping, thrifted hardware, and simple repainting refresh spaces while preserving quality. Together, these steps build a sustainable budget routine that feels effortless and genuinely improves daily life for the whole family.